underway. The draw is one back into the Sea Dog end. Wasmer charges in after it. Shiloff hard in after him. It's up to Grew, the slot, and out to center. Here comes Besner with a burst of speed. He puts on the brakes, looking for support. Quick shot, kicked out by Grew, wins it. Bounces in front, they stay with it. That's Korniev through the blue paint and out the other side. Still bouncing around in there. Now Korniev behind the goal. Dodier in behind the goal now. Korniev back up high. Dodier will keep it in. Back to the point. Cross ice. Here comes Vlasov. The shot into the midsection and couldn't keep it in. Magnuson retreats. He's being chased by Garapy. And Baldwin chops it off the referee and out to center. Now in over the line. Fed through. Here comes Seymour. Scores! Yes! It's Jabez Seymour again. What a tear he's on. That's his 9th of the season. The last 4 goals by the St. Rossi on the wings. Back to the point. Magnuson. Shot. That almost handcuffed. Pushes his way down and then back up high to Gauthier. Gauthier plays it down to Donfus. Cross ice. The one-timer by Crayer. Grew wins it back up high. Shot towards the net. Knocked down on the side of the goal. The jam play and Dag holds the ground. Grew wins it back to Baldwin. Baldwin looking for a shooting lane. Drops it off to Joseph. Shot, save is made. It's battered away. Down the boards. Baldwin. Cross ice. The shot off the side of the goal and out of the penalty box. Here comes a long pass. It's a breakaway. Walking in. Brunet. And Grew makes the save. Rebound. They score. Oh. Just like that. How many times do you see it? And following up on the play, that center ice. In over the line. Shiloff. Here comes Shiloff with moves. Oh, a big save. A rebound. Another save. Always aggressive on the penalty kill. Now following up, that's Donovan. He'll take it wide. Back to Fullerton off the side of the net. And Duhamel catches up with it, but back come with numbers. Here comes Victoriaville on the rush. Back up high. Shot. The save made by Corshane. Cote 3-on-2 with Baldwin. Back up high. Joseph in front. They score! Everett Baldwin with his 11th. Just a beautiful 3-way passing play. Joseph, Baldwin, and Fullerton. Up the boards it comes and kept in at the line. Momentarily back to center ice. Now following up in over the line. Stick handling his way through. That was Garapy. Back up high. Shot. Knocked down in front. Oh, rolled it just wide. Onto the ice by Donovan. Fans love that. Now back the other way to center. Here comes Donovan again. Donovan back up out of the Fullerton. Shot. Save made. Rebound in behind the goal. It's fed out in front. And to the corner. Grew comes up with it. Turns it back up the board. The captain. Kept in at the line. Cross ice. Here comes Baldwin. Oh, the blocker save. Duhamel to the boards. Now, late man coming. That was Fourchette. He fired it over top of the net. Now, Yared back to center. Here comes Grew. Duhamel joins the rush. Back to Yared. Back to Garrett. And it's shot. That doesn't get through. At the line. Kept in by Wasmer. The redirect scores! William Yared. Oh, what a beautiful tip by William Yared. That's going to be his 9th of the season. And the Sea Dogs take a 3-1 lead. Oh, what a beautiful goal. Coming out of the goal, Corshane knocks it down. That was a bad bounce off the boards. Into the near corner. Paget plays it. Chartrand comes up with it behind the St. John goal. Banks it. Hits a skate. Fed in front. They score. That's how quick it can happen. And who's got it? I think it's going to be Lotte. Around the boards it comes, and then Grew chops it out to center. Now here comes Joseph. It's a break. Joseph walking in. Joseph scores! Alexi Joseph, his 22nd of the season. And it'll be another shorthanded goal for Alexi Joseph. Donovan drops it for Donovan. Donovan down to Fullerton. Off a skate. Back to Baldwin. Shot towards the goal. Rebound, and it's kicked out by Dagg. To Cote. Now, here comes Rozzi breaking in. Rozzi on the backhand. Rebound. They bang away at it. That was not in over the line. Steered away by Magnuson. Up high. It bounces. Is it staying in? Yes, it does. Now, cross ice. Paquette shot. Save made. Rebound. Oh, Corshane robbed his man. What a stop. Now another chance and another save by Corshane. Garapi plays it to center ice. It's knocked down. It's a 2-on-1 developing. Walking in for Shed. And the save made by Corshane for St. John. Quick up to center ice and in over the line comes Cote. Feeds it through the redirect. Oh, that was Rozzi. Can't get it through. Up the boards, kept in by Lepage. Over. Vlasov. Shot. That save is made and blew the stick right out of Corshane's high. Kept in by Paquette. Now, Shiloff the shot. The save made by Corshane. Now Grew strides the center ice. Here comes the shot. He misses it. That's going to be no icing. Here comes Donovan. Backhand. Scores! Alex Donovan's 19th of the season. Finally, the Sea Dogs put a lid on this one. It's 5-2. 37.5 seconds left. It looked like they had got that fifth goal some time ago, but it was